Okay, so now what you see here is my Mac Mini M1 running Sonoma in the main picture, and my Apple TV in the secondary screen. And let me go ahead now and turn up the volume.
So you can see how I'm using this adapter. It's actually
Okay,
designed.
so you can see the audio that's coming through the speaker is from that channel. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a switch. Actually, before I do so, let me use the Apple remote and come down here and run YouTube. Okay, so it's playing content from my channel. I'm going to go ahead now and switch off. Switch the displays. Raise the volume up.
A minimal amount of exertion you have to use on the mower, but it stopped working.
Okay, so you can see that's the Apple TV coming through the monitor. Now, let me go ahead and switch them back. And let me go ahead and do an audio switch so that I'm browsing on my Mac Mini M1, but playing the audio and from the small screen. Audio switch, and let me raise the volume.
Magic. It was just regarding the lid, but let's get right into it, okay? Okay, here's the Ryobi.
So I could be doing anything while that
40
content is playing.
Brushless, and it's currently not working. Okay, I should be able to just press the button here, and it kicks.